Anyone can work from home if they have a transcription job. Do you own a laptop with a fast internet connection? Are you able to type? Are you a writer already? Then becoming a work-at-home transcriptionist is a simple process. Many transcription jobs do not require any prior experience. You can apply for jobs as long as you understand and can write English and have a respectable typing speed. So if you are self-disciplined and enjoy working independently, why not try transcription? Hey guys, this is Clever Money, and on this channel, we love talking about all things money, as well as ways to make money online wisely. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure to turn our notifications on so you can get notified every time we upload new videos. Without further ado, let us begin. Transcription jobs are typically part-time, do not require years of experience, and are a good place to start for many work-from-home professionals. Working as an independent contractor doing captioning or taking dictation is also common. The majority of freelance transcription work falls into one of three categories: general, medical, and legal. You don't need any special equipment for this work, but if things start to rock, you might want to invest in a foot pedal. You can also use software like Scribe to boost your transcription services and get more work done faster. Rev is one of the best sources of online transcription jobs, with over 170,000 clients worldwide, including CBS and Viacom. Rev is always looking for transcriptionists with excellent English skills and attention to detail, an excellent opportunity for any aspiring freelance writer. You don't need any previous experience with transcription work to get started. Simply pass a grammar quiz and provide a quick transcription sample, and you are ready to go. Transcribe Me provides training as well as a starting salary of $15 to $22 per audio hour. Transcribing short clips of 2 to 4 minutes is typical, and you can take on as much as work as you want. When one clip ends, the next one loads automatically until you decide to stop. It's a fairly simple process. Transcribe Me also provides opportunities for advancement to work on special teams, for medical transcription and special styles for VIP clients. Crowdsurf pays per minute. You will also be creating video captions for deaf, hard of hearing, and second language viewers as a freelance transcriptionist for Crowdsurf. They would like to hear from you if you're detail-oriented and have excellent listening skills. You'll also need excellent proofreading abilities and English fluency, but you probably already knew that. So first and foremost, you must register with Work Market. After that, you will be able to apply for freelance work as a transcriber with Crowdsurf. Crowdsurf promises that by the end of the day, you'll have the cash to spend. Quicktape provides a variety of transcription services. And as with most transcribing jobs, English fluency is required. If English is not your first language, Quicktape also offers foreign language transcribing opportunities. Quicktape now requires transcription experience. As a result, if you're just getting started, this may not be the best option. You must also be free of any felonies or misdemeanors. In terms of work, you could be transcribing 2 to 3 minute voicemail messages on one job, and the next thing you know, you are on a conference call that lasts several hours. To apply to SpeakRight, you must be a legal resident of the United States or Canada. Please be aware that applications from California residents will not be accepted. SpeakRight requires 1 year of office-based transcription experience. You must also pass a typing test at 60 words per minute. SpeakRight emphasizes that this is a work-from-home opportunity, not just another freelance transcription gig. So if you find transcription work satisfying and enjoyable, SpeakRight may be a good fit for you. CastingWords claim to be constantly hiring. Take their transcription test if you are a bright-eyed transcriber looking for work. Please be aware that they only hire freelance transcribers on their website, so any other sites claiming to offer jobs at CastingWords are not legitimate. CastingWords bills itself as a crowdsourced transcription service to clients. This simply means that projects are assigned to freelance transcribers. CastingWords also provides transcription services in French and Spanish, in addition to English. CastingWords guarantees a next-day service within 24 hours. So if you are a lightning fast transcriber, contact them. Heads up number 2, freelance transcribers are paid by the minute and must be at least 18 years old. GMR Transcription is seeking ambitious transcriptionists. While no prior experience is required, a general transcriptionist can increase their pay rates by taking on more complex assignments. The ideal candidate will work with the company to learn and grow as a transcriptionist. As part of your application, you will be required to take a transcription test. GMR also specifies that you will need over-the-ear headphones, a foot pedal, high-speed internet, and Microsoft Office. A GMR transcriptionist can expect to earn between $1,000 and $3,000 per month. To apply, you must be a resident of the United States, except California. ThreePlay Media provides the opportunity to work as a transcriptionist in both English and Spanish. They are also looking for editors to correct errors in transcriptions. ThreePlay Media employs proprietary transcription software, which you will need to become acquainted with. You are paid weekly, and ThreePlay Media points out that even if you only transcribe for a couple of hours, you are still paid. ThreePlay Media invites you to be your own boss by choosing not only your hours, but also typing the projects you want to work on. BubbleType, a highly selective and exclusive transcription company, is always on the lookout for new talents. BubbleType specializes in market research reports, which necessitates a high level of precision. And while you will be an independent contractor, you will be an important member of the team. Before you can be hired, you must watch a 30-minute video, complete an interview, and go through an extensive period of paid testing. Typing speed is less important than the ability to correctly summarize the content. If you are fluent in English, you might have a future at Way with Words. They are particularly looking for transcriptionists who can understand different accents. Transcription does not require any prior work experience, and training is provided. Pay rates range from $0.45 to $1.73 per audio minute, depending on the deadline. And Way with Words claim that as you gain more transcription experience and learn to write faster, you will earn more. There is no mention of typing speed, but accuracy is expected. GoTranscript allows you to choose when you want to work and which projects you want to work on. The company has been in operation for more than a decade and claims to have plenty of work for eager transcriptionists. If you want something different, GoTranscript is the way to go. For example, you could be working on exciting police investigations one day and transcribing thought-provoking research projects the next. Transcriptionists are paid up to $0.60 per audio minute and are rated based on the quality of their work. To sweeten the deal, you will be paid weekly. Everback Transcription is looking for transcriptionists who understand heavy accents. There is no requirement for transcription experience. All communication is done via email, and you must be able to work independently. Everback Transcription anticipates that you will be able to be your own editor. You should be also comfortable using ExpressScribe or similar transcription software. You will also need to pass a skills test, just like most other transcription jobs. You will be paid $1 per audio hour for regular transcription jobs and $1.50 for rush jobs. According to Everback Transcription, this equates to $20 to $30 per work hour. If you are meticulous, have excellent listening skills, and are eager to improve your typing speed, this job could be ideal for you. Despite the fact that most positions require no prior experience, transcription jobs are serious business. Transcription jobs are definitely worth looking into if you are looking for a way to work from home. So that is it for today, everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and let us know what you think in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.